160, some buttons are not working. Seven is not working, 8 is not working, the 9 is not working, 0 is not working. You can see some of these buttons are not working. Some of these buttons are not working. This one is not working. 7 is not working, 8 is not working, then 9 and 0, they are not working. Itel 2160 from the back. You can see the water. Let's read with meter, you see. I've checked before, but let's still check again. Finally, the center one is reading. The outer circle is not reading. Center one, outer circle is the connection that links to all of them. Outer circle is the connection, so it's not reading. I don't know if you can see, this thing is too tiny, that's why you check with your glass and see. Make your connection from here. See your connection from here to this place. To this place. To this particular place here. The connection should be here. You scratch here from here to this place. Itel 2160 button. After solving, now check with your meter. I see the outer circle is not working. It's not reading. Then you test. Zero is not working. 8. Yeah, your job is done. Those buttons are not working. Like and subscribe, share. Itel 2160 button.